Since we have just launched, our network is still in the early stage and growing faster. That also means we are actively building our team across the world. We are inviting more experienced trainers and engineers to join us. If you have experience with BAi embroidery machines, you can join us as a trainer. You will help others learn how to properly use the machines and improve their workflow. And if you have repair, maintenance, or after-sales experience, you can become a service engineer. You will help customers solve machine issues locally, faster and more efficiently. Now, let me show you how simple it is to join. First, go to 100horse.com/servicemap. Once you enter the page, you will see the Service Map interface. In the bottom right corner, you will see two options, engineer or trainer. Select the role that best matches your experience. Click in, and you will be directed to the application page. There, you will see all the requirements clearly listed. Scroll down and find Please log into the 100horse Authorized Engineer application website. Click to continue. If you don't have a 100horse account yet, you can register in a few simple steps. If you already have an account, just log in directly. Then, select your role again if needed. Fill in your information and submit your application. And that's it. You are all set. Our team will review your application and reach out to you shortly. We are excited to build a stronger local service network across the world with you.